Hi guys, and welcome to BM. Starting a business can be a great way to turn your passion into a career and earn money. There are many different business models and industries to choose from, and each has its own set of pros and cons. In this list, I will provide an overview of 10 best money-making business ideas that have the potential to be profitable and successful. These businesses range from e-commerce and dropshipping to real estate investing and consulting, and can be a great starting point for anyone looking to start their own business. Here are 10 best money-making businesses in 2023. Let's roll it. 1. E-commerce. Starting an online store and selling products through platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or your own website can be a profitable business. E-commerce involves setting up an online store, sourcing products, and then selling them to customers. You can sell physical products, digital products, or a combination of both. One of the benefits of e-commerce is that it allows you to reach a global audience and sell products 24/7 without having to physically be present. There are many e-commerce platforms available, such as Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce, that make it easy to set up an online store. 2. Dropshipping. Similar to e-commerce, dropshipping allows you to sell products online without having to handle inventory or shipping. With dropshipping, you partner with a supplier who holds the inventory and ships the products directly to the customer. This means you can sell a wide range of products without having to invest in inventory upfront. One of the benefits of dropshipping is that it allows you to test different products and markets without a significant financial investment. 3. Real estate investing. Buying and renting out properties can generate a steady stream of passive income. This can include buying rental properties, flipping houses, or investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. One of the benefits of real estate investing is that it can provide a stable, long-term income. However, it is important to note that real estate investing also comes with risks, such as changes in the housing market and the potential for tenants to default on rent. 4. Affiliate marketing. Partnering with companies and promoting their products in exchange for a commission can be a profitable business model. As an affiliate marketer, you promote a company's products or services through your own website or social media channels. When a customer clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. One of the benefits of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn money by promoting products you believe in. 5. Consulting. Offering your expertise and experience to businesses and individuals can be a lucrative business. Consulting can include providing business advice, offering coaching services, or providing specialized services such as marketing or legal consulting. One of the benefits of consulting is that it allows you to leverage your expertise and experience to help others. 6. Social media marketing. Helping businesses and brands grow their online presence through social media platforms can be a profitable business. This can include creating content, managing social media accounts, running advertising campaigns, and analyzing data to determine the effectiveness of social media strategies. One of the benefits of social media marketing is that it allows you to reach a large audience and target specific demographics. 7. Online tutoring or teaching. Providing online classes or tutoring services can be a great way to earn money. This can include teaching a specific skill, such as coding or photography, or providing academic tutoring. One of the benefits of online tutoring or teaching is that it allows you to reach a global audience and offer services at any time. 8. Food delivery service. Starting a food delivery service can be a profitable business, especially in areas with high demand for delivery services. This can include delivering meals from local restaurants or starting your own meal prep business. One of the benefits of a food delivery service is that it can provide a steady stream of revenue and can be scaled up as the business grows. 9. Pet grooming or sitting. Pet-related businesses, such as pet grooming or pet sitting, can be a great way to make money as many people consider their pets as part of their family. Pet grooming service involves providing services such as hair cutting, bathing, and nail trimming to pets. Pet sitting service, on the other hand, involves taking care of pets when the owner is away. This can include feeding, walking, and providing companionship. One of the benefits of pet-related businesses is that they can be operated from home and have a relatively low startup cost. 10. Personal shopping service. Many people don't have the time or inclination to shop for themselves. Starting a personal shopping service can be a great way to earn money. This can include shopping for groceries, clothing, or gifts. One of the benefits of a personal shopping service is that it can provide a convenient service for busy individuals and can be tailored to the specific needs of each client. In summary, there are many different types of businesses that can be profitable and successful. These business ideas cover a range of industries and offer different opportunities for earning money. Some may require more investment than others, some may require more skills than others, and some may have more risks than others. Therefore, it is important to consider what type of business is the best fit for you based on your own skills, interests, and resources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.